Rolling. Okay, so here's the 3 cameras. I'll put GoPro Hero 3 over there, Hero 5 there, and Hero... You're rolling, aren't you? Hero 7 over here. So for this video, we're going to bring you all together to check the audio. So the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition, I know you have good audio. I'm going to put you right there. The GoPro Hero 5, I know has crap audio. It just sounds, I think it needed too much sensitivity for picking up voice commands. And now, the new one, the GoPro Hero 7, I'm going to put right over here to see which one's better. So personally, I think the GoPro Hero 3, which I'm putting my hand over just now, I think you and GoPro Hero 7 should have the best audio going on here. And the GoPro Hero 5, which I'm putting my hand over just now, you have the crappiest audio. So in terms of general blogging, this is how I would talk if I was coming up close and I was saying, right, there's something very important I need to tell you about the audio of these cameras, and that it is that some of them are good and some of them are bad. And then I'll stand maybe back here and see who picks me up better. Again, if I speak on a lower voice, it's not necessarily whether it picks up the voice, but is it true to life? You know, if you are far away and you're talking quietly, it should be quiet. It shouldn't be filled with lots of noise going on in the background. So there you go. That was the first test, an audio test for blogging if you're using the GoPro cameras. Remember, this was the GoPro Hero 3. Thought that was pretty good. Hero 5, I know that you're crap. And the Hero 7, I'm hoping you're going to be as good as the Hero 3 Plus Black Edition.